Palm oil is one of the most widely used vegetable oils globally, found in everything from food products to cosmetics and even biofuels. With its widespread use, it's important to understand both the benefits and potential disadvantages of this versatile oil. In this video, we will look into how palm oil impacts our health, the environment, and what you should know to make informed choices. Please stay with me because by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the benefits and health effects of palm oil. Plus, I've included some bonus tips at the end that you won't want to miss. First, let's talk about the benefits. Palm oil is full of nutrients. It's rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin E, which helps protect your cells from oxidative damage. This is crucial for maintaining healthy skin, boosting your immune system, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Another key benefit is palm oil's high beta-carotene content. Beta-carotene is a type of vitamin A that supports good vision, a strong immune system, and overall skin health. In many developing countries, palm oil is a vital source of vitamin A, helping to combat deficiencies that can lead to blindness and other health issues. Palm oil is also favored in cooking due to its high heat stability. Unlike some other oils, it doesn't break down and lose its nutritional value at high temperatures, making it ideal for frying and cooking. Moreover, palm oil has a long shelf life, which means it can be stored for extended periods without getting spoiled. This is particularly beneficial in areas with limited access to refrigeration. But that's not all. Palm oil is naturally free from trans fats, which are known to increase the risk of heart disease. This makes it a healthier option compared to hydrogenated oils found in many processed foods. Despite its benefits, palm oil does come with some potential disadvantages. It's a common saying that every advantage has its disadvantage. One major concern is its high saturated content. Consuming too much saturated fat can raise LDL cholesterol levels, often referred to as bad cholesterol. Increased LDL levels are associated with an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. However, it's worth noting that not all saturated fats are created equal. While palm oil does contain saturated fats, it also includes unsaturated fats, which can have a neutral or even positive effect on cholesterol levels when consumed in moderation. The key here is balance and moderation. Another significant issue is the environmental impact of palm oil production. The demand for palm oil has led to widespread deforestation, particularly in countries like Indonesia and Malaysia. This deforestation has devastating effect on biodiversity, leading to the loss of habitat for endangered species such as orangutans, tigers, and rhinos. The environmental cost doesn't stop there. Deforestation for palm oil plantations also contributes to climate change. Trees that once absorbed carbon dioxide are cut down, releasing large amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. This is a major contributor to global warming and the resulting climate crisis. So what can we do about these issues? One solution is to support the production of certified sustainable palm oil or CSPO. This certification ensures that the palm oil is produced in a way that minimizes environmental harm support local communities, and promote fair labor practices. When shopping for products that contain palm oil, look for the RSPO, Roundtable on Sustainable Palm Oil label, or similar certifications. This small action can have a big impact. In addition, it's important to consume palm oil in moderation. While it's a versatile and beneficial oil, like any dietary fat, it should be part of a balanced diet. Overconsumption of any fat, including palm oil, can lead to health issues. Before we wrap up, I have some bonus tips for you, as mentioned earlier. Did you know that palm oil can be a fantastic natural makeup remover? Yes, you heard right. Its antioxidant-rich properties help protect and nourish your skin while effectively removing makeup. How to apply this? Simply apply a small amount to a cotton pad. Wipe your face and rinse with warm water. It's a natural, cost-effective alternative to commercial makeup removers. I'll take that again. The simple way to apply it is apply a small amount to a cotton pad or a wipe. Then wipe your face and rinse with warm water. It's a natural, cost-effective alternative to commercial makeup removers. Another interesting fact is that palm oil is increasingly being used as a biofuel. When produced sustainably, palm oil biofuel can be a more environmental friendly alternative to fossil fuels, reducing our carbon footprint and dependence on non-renewable energy sources. In conclusion, palm oil is a complex ingredient with both significant benefits and potential drawbacks. By making informed choices such as selecting sustainably sourced palm oil and consuming it in moderation, we can enjoy its advantages while minimizing its impact on our health and the environment. If you're interested in trying sustainably sourced palm oil, I've included a link in the description to a high-quality RSPO certified option available on Amazon. This product not only supports ethical sourcing practices, but also offers all the natural benefits of palm oil. Click the link below to learn more and make a purchase that aligns with your values. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the foods we eat and the choices we make. Until next time, please eat healthy and stay healthy. God bless you. I love you. Bye for now.